So today I'm going to try another acrylic pour, but with resin, and see if it comes out a little bit better than the one I tried the other day. I've seen quite a lot of people do the bubble pictures where they put glasses or something upside down that are round and into the acrylic, and I'm going to see if I can have a similar sort of pattern, or who knows how it's going to turn out, with resin. I'm using Resin 8 today, lovely resin, so if this doesn't work, it is nothing to do with the resin, it's the way I'm doing it. And I'm also using gold, black, white, and a pink for a change. Pink. Gold and black, not so much for a change. So, without too much more of ado, let's get on with it. So, first one first. So, this is how I'm going to put it on. I'm going to drape it round there using a stick. I don't know if I've got anywhere that you can actually see me doing this. Yeah, I think you can here. If I move my hand out of the way. So I'm going to put it on there. Like this. I have to turn it quite quickly. So there is that ridge there. And I'm going with the pink first. And all I've coloured this resin with today is mica. I haven't used any anything else to colour it with. No acrylic paint, nothing. And it seems to have coloured that paint quite well. Now, this isn't either going to work or it's not going to work. So there's the first one. Let's now try it with a gold one. I've got little Lily who's, oh, she's digging in the lawn again. It's been absolutely raining and thundering here, so I've been waiting for the weather to clear up before I get on with anything. And she's now outside absolutely digging like nobody's business in the wet dirt out there. Right, so there's another one. Right, where are we going to put this one, did we say? I think we're going to put it there. That's where we're going to put it. Hopefully that black will now pull that off. Right, so that seems to be flowing out quite nicely. And all we've got to do now is leave that for a few minutes to allow that to spread out, and then we will take these pots off. So there we go. I think they've been sitting there for about 5 minutes now, and it's about time I took them off. Now I've got myself a piece of kitchen paper, so I'm going to just lift those off. Oh, they're sucked on there quite nicely. And see what happens. And then they should just start to blend inside as well, where the resin is. Let's see how that one comes out. Oh, that one came out nice. Pleased with that one. Now, I have to say, so far, that's not overcomplicated by any means of the stretch of the imagination. But I actually really like this. I think it'll be interesting to see how it turns out once it's actually dry. Now, should I go over it with a heat gun? I thought I might have to then for a minute because my torch would put... Oh no, what's fell on it there? Oh no! No. I always do something to mess it up. it's only one of them pots. Right. Lily, do you mind not trying to come in here and run off with stuff? Let's have a look. What's going on there? Do you know, I think there might have been a tiny bit of water in that pot. Why? There shouldn't have been any water in that pot. We will see. I did dry them all. Now, I'm quite liking that. I do think it's a bit dull. And what I might do is I might get my trusty little stick here and just do a swirl into the middle of each one. Oh, should I or shouldn't I? Yeah, I'm going to. No. Yeah, I'm going to. No. Should I leave it as it is? Because I do overwork pictures. Let me stand back from it. Take my own advice. Oh, I don't know what to do. Do it. Do it. Do it. No. Do it. No. Yeah, I'm going to do it. No. Right, I'm going to do it. I didn't do nothing. That really did nothing. I'm going too hard on it. Okay, that'll do. For that one. Wipe that off. Should we do that for another one? I think we will. I think we'll do it for a white one. Alright, there's the white one. See a pink one. We'll go over it with a torch again. There we go. Well, I suppose we have. I don't know. I quite like them. Oh yeah, I'm quite liking that. Actually, I'm quite glad I did that. Because I'm all courage, me. Yeah, that kind of gives it a bit of interest. I think. Oh yeah. Be interested to see how this one comes off. The white and the gold. I'm not going to overdo that one because it just makes it come a bit mushy. There we go. I missed any. Yeah, I want to hear that. Well, this is 24 hours later, and I have to say, I'm really pleased how this came out. I think it looks great. As you can see, the circles where the pots were have really come out well. They've merged in with the black background, and where I put the circles in the middle with that lollipop stick, it's really improved it. I actually like this picture. I think I loves it. And this is one, even though it's quite simple, it's circles and that, it's just a new method for me. This is definitely one that is going to go up on my wall. So I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you like. Bye.